Hello everyone, please on this video I'll be showing you how you can download funny sound on your phone. So if you are a content creator, this video is for you. Okay guys, let's get started. Please, before I start this video, I want you to do one thing for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, you go to your Play Store, then you search on this icon, sound button, where buttons were sounds, button words. So alright guys, this is the app here, this very one here. Then you click on it. As you can see, it's 5,000 people that is using this app already, 5,000k plus. Alright guys, you click on it. Then after that, you click on install. So I'll be showing you how you can download any sound of your choice, any sound that you like. Then after installing, you click on open. It's very easy guys to download, and I will be showing you the website on Chrome browser. So you click on consent, then look at the sound. 400 sounds are here. Then after that, let me play one. If you're a content creator, this is very good for you guys. So second one, you can see the sounds. You can see that. So alright guys, if you want to download this emotional, then you see this love sign here and share sign. They are working, everything here, they're working guys. So this is love sign, share sign, and download sign. Then if you want to, you can click on love. You have loved it as your favorite app, then you take you to this place. Then you have to create your this thing so that it will be on your Gmail account or whatever. Then look at it here, what I want to teach you how to download it. Then you can count down. Let's go for emotional. Look at it here. Then you can click on download if you want this sound. Then you click on this arrow here, the right hand side. Then you click on it. Then here you will see download file. Look at that, it have download on my phone. Then you can choose any sound you want and download it on your phone, to be on your phone. So guys, this is how you can download all these sounds on your phone, anyone you like. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video. See you on my next video guys.